Welcome to The Explainer. Okay, you're going to want to buckle up for this one. We're breaking down a huge triple header from OpenAI. They've just dropped 3 massive developments all at once that could seriously change your health, your job, and maybe even the future of AI itself.
First up, they're getting personal, really personal. OpenAI has launched a brand new tool specifically designed to help you manage your health and wellness.
Next, they're coming for the office. Seriously, they are actively building an AI that's meant to work right alongside you, handling complex office jobs from beginning to end.
And finally, this might be the biggest deal of all. Their latest AI model just shattered the human record on a really tough abstract reasoning test. We're talking superhuman performance here.
All right, let's dive into the most personal piece of this puzzle, ChatGPT Health. And look, this isn't just some minor update. This is a clear signal that OpenAI is making our personal health a major priority.
And if you're wondering why they're doing this, well, get this. They found that a mind-boggling 230 million people were already asking ChatGPT health-related questions every single week. That is a massive built-in audience just waiting for a dedicated tool.
So what's the core problem they're trying to solve? It's something we all know way too well, right? Our health data is an absolute mess. It's scattered all over the place. I mean, just think about it for a second. You've got your hospital portal over here, lab results in a PDF somewhere, your Apple Health data, your workout apps, your insurance stocks. It's a nightmare. ChatGPT Health is designed to be that one central place that finally brings it all together.
And once you connect all those dots, that's when the magic happens. You can start asking it really complex questions. Like, hey, can you explain these lab results to me in plain English? Or help me figure out what to ask my doctor at my next appointment. You could even have it compare insurance plans based on your actual medical history.
Now we have to talk about the elephant in the room, privacy. With health data, trust is everything. And OpenAI is making a very, very clear promise right here. Your private health chats will not be used to train their big AI models. That's a huge deal. The way they've built it is pretty smart. They call it a one-way door. You see, you can pull general info into your health chat, but your sensitive health data is completely sealed off. It can't leak out into your normal chats or get used for anything else. It's a closed, protected space. Okay, so let's shift gears from our personal lives to our professional ones. Because while one part of OpenAI was building a health AI, another team was busy creating something that could completely change your 9-to-5, an AI colleague.
Yep, you heard that right. They're training an AI to function like an actual employee. And the really critical part is how it's learning. It's not just learning from textbooks. It's being trained on real, messy, end-to-end workflows from actual companies.
The training process basically mimics a day at the office. The AI gets a task request, the kind of instructions a manager would give you. And then it's shown the final, completed deliverable, the finished PowerPoint, the polished PDF. It's learning the entire A to Z process. So, what job should be paying attention? Well, this tech is aimed squarely at structured, white-collar work. We're talking admin and data entry, junior-level content or coding, customer support, and even basic legal and accounting tasks. Basically, if your job follows a repeatable workflow, it's on the list.
But, and this is a really important but, there's another side to this coin. As AI handles all the routine stuff, it actually makes uniquely human skills way more valuable. Things like leadership, critical thinking, true adaptability, those become premium skills. The future isn't about competing with AI, it's about figuring out how to work with it.
And that brings us to our final point. Let's zoom out and look at the engine that's powering all of these changes. We're talking about a fundamental leap in the raw intelligence of these AI models.
So, a new model from OpenAI, which is reportedly called GPT 5.2, just set a new record on this test called ARC-AGI-2. What's so special about this test? It's designed to be basically uncheatable. The AI can't just find the answer on the internet, it has to actually think, reason, and solve brand new problems. And the results? Well, the results are pretty stunning. The new model scored a 75%, and the average human score? Around 60%. This isn't just a little bit better. This is a clear sign that AI is crossing over from just being human level into demonstrably superhuman territory for this kind of reason. This gets at a fascinating concept that OpenAI itself talks about, called capability overhang. Basically, they're admitting their models can already do way more than we even know how to ask them to do. The bottleneck isn't the AI's power anymore, it's our ability to harness it.
So let's tie this all together. You've got a personal health revolution, a professional disruption, and a fundamental leap in intelligence, all hitting us at the exact same time. What does that even mean for us?
What we're seeing here isn't one single change. It's three revolutions running in parallel. One for our personal lives, one for our work lives, and one for the very technology that underpins everything. And this is not some far-off futuristic prediction. It's all happening right now.
Which leaves us with a really tough final question that we're all going to have to grapple with. What's actually more dangerous? An AI that knows every single detail of your medical history, or an AI that knows exactly how to do your job? The implications of that choice are just massive, and honestly, this conversation is just getting started.